Yes. Um, I don't I don't have a lot planned for today. I thought I'd go to the library in a couple hours. Yes. And I have about a gigabyte left on my SD card. And when you download anything from the internet, you need to be absolutely sure that you fact check what is the information. Yeah. Now, we're not quite done with the water, but I thought this concept of consent, yes, where your wife abducts your children, runs into a court where they have no jurisdiction and says, well, I need a protection order because my husband's crazy. Oh. Now, I'm just concerned that this notice and opportunity that you as a court say that you do not have to have because of the allegation of a spouse that somebody's mentally ill, a religious fanatic. Yes. But there is a reason why I download information. Yeah. Now, these table of authorities, yes, I put some documents on my drive. Yeah. The 10th Amendment, the 13th Amendment, the 13th and 14th Amendments, the 14th Amendment, the 14th Amendment, Section 1. Yeah. You can find those in the Constitution. The 16th Amendment. Yeah. The 9th Amendment. Now, a lot of times when I download different documents, it gives me something to think about. Yeah. Now, I'm not saying I support or don't support different organizations. I'm just saying that it helps me think about the Fifth Amendment and then the Fifth Amendment taking clause and the Fifth or the 13th Amendment. Yes. I just downloaded some 400 pages that involve consent. Yes. From an organization that I'm not familiar with, but maybe you want to find out who they are. Po. Now, I know you're a judge, you're a cop, you're a sheriff, and you thought, well, he's gone off his rocker, he's went religious right. But this Bill of Rights that you seem to think is not enforceable, yeah, or the Charter of Massachusetts Bay of 1629, yeah. These are actual documents that can be found on other websites. Yes. So if you disagree with the actual religious beliefs of any of this literature, disregard the religious beliefs and just look at these 18 U.S. codes 112, 1201. These are actual laws of the United States, and maybe you as a sheriff or a judge want to go through the U.S. code and just have a look at the laws right now. Now, it's well known that I'm a Christian, and I'm not saying that I support or don't support. I'm saying that I do support any and all institutions that use the law as it is worded and it is meant. Now, there's the California Civil Code. There's the Stamp Act. Yes, the Revenue Act, the Internal Revenue Code. The Judicial Code of 1911. Yeah. Seems like they have a lot. And then there's the CFR regulations. Yes. Now, I do like it when they have various cases. Yeah. Page 12 of 445. Yeah. I've heard of the American Banana Company. Yes. Yes, yes. I think I heard about it in a case. Yeah. Now, there's these attorney generals versus Jewers and Batty. Yeah. Could you call the attorney generals in each and every state? Did you have a vasectomy and was it painful? Do you need to have a vasectomy and does somebody need to pay for it? Pooch. Now, the attorney generals in each state that know about what Washington state is doing, you're going to get sued. Pooch. So why don't you get me the attorneys that work in the attorney general's office of each and every state of the United States? Because when you obligate me to go to a cell hearing approximately 6 days from now, yeah, without any petitioner signature, yes, without any of the protections of law, without the enforcement of consent, and you decided right now, I'm going to sue the fucking shit out of the attorney generals of the United States of America. Looks like a lot of case law in this document. It's helpful to think about lawsuits, and for every attorney that is able to represent me at $500 to $1,000 an hour, If you disagree with the actual religious beliefs of the sedm.org, that's fine. But use the literature for lawsuits.